Hello and welcome to another video. Today I show you how you can convert your USB headphones to USB Type-C headphones. I like these headphones very much. They were really cheap. I can't remember how much they were, but they were really cheap and they lasted such a long time. So if you change the sponges when you need to, they will last forever basically. So the problem now I have is that I need to use them sometimes on my phone. And my phone is USB-C, and I have these adapters, but sometimes they come loose. So I'll have a bit of coffee and show you. Oh yeah. Nothing like a nice coffee in the morning. See, I still needed to wake up. I couldn't even pronounce that very well. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you now how to remove the tape and putting it back, because I wanted to put black tape so it looks better. Okay, so now I'm going to show you why I have to put tape on this. You see, they're not very reliable and they move, and sometimes it disconnects and it's not nice. And also these adapters, they're not so great. If you remove them and insert them many times, they get really loose and don't stay in very well. So one option is, especially if you're only going to use these headphones as a USB-C, is just to tape it. I'm just showing you some close-up of these headphones. They're just standard USB Type-A headphones. So the sound card, everything is integrated in that small dongle. So I'm just gonna use electrical tape. Yeah, electrical tape is something really useful to have. You can fix a lot of things with this kind of tape. One thing that is really important is when you apply the tape, especially at the beginning, try to press down on the USB-C adapter so it's straight when you insert it. Otherwise, the pressure from the sides with the tape, it will make the connector not so aligned and maybe it's not gonna work so well. But yeah, put as much tape as you feel like it's good. You can even go up and down a bit more with the tape so it's more secure, but really it's up to you. And this way you just got yourself a brand new kind of set of USB-C headphones. And the nice thing about these headphones is that they're really comfortable and they go over the ear, and the microphone is really like everything is it's easy to use. It's easy to put them on, not like those small headphones that you can lose. And this is it's really comfortable for indoor, for sure. Outside you couldn't really use these. I mean, you could, but you know, just make a clean cut of the tape and it's ready to use. Give a thumbs up if you think this is useful, and let me know in the comments if you do this for your own headphones. You see, it might be moving a bit. You can put just more tape if it's moving. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.